Hi, my name is Vaishali Patel. I'm the founder and CEO of Sanskar Teaching, and I'm also one of the teachers for our online Gujarati and Hindi classes. For privacy and confidentiality of our students, I am not giving you actual Zoom recording, but I'm going to show you what our level one class looks like in this recording so you could see what a level one student would learn when they're learning Gujarati with us. મારું નામ વૈશાલી છે અને હું તમને ગુજરાતી લેવલ 1 નો ક્લાસ કેવી રીતે થશે તે અહીંયા આ વિડીયોમાં બતાવું છું એની થોડી નાની ઝલક બતાવું છું બરાબર ચાલો તો ક્લાસની શરૂઆત અમે આ રીતે કરીએ છીએ કે greetings or every class term everyone gets these weekly folders. So each term is 10 weeks long and each weekly folder has all this material organized for you. For example, we begin each class with a vocabulary block. So it's a simple greeting કે આપણે એકબીજાને greeting થી શરૂઆત કરીએ. Now, આપણો level 1 નો જે class છે, it's not a fully immersive class. એટલે આ ક્લાસમાં થોડુંક ઇંગ્લિશ પણ બોલાશે અને ગુજરાતી પણ બોલાશે. કારણ કે છોકરાઓ અમુક ગુજરાતીથી એટલા બધા ફેમિલિયર નથી કે આખો ક્લાસ ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે કરી શકીએ. So, તમે કોઈને મળો when you see somebody you say નમસ્તે. તમારા ફેમિલીમાં કદાચ તમે કહેતા હોય જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ, જય જિનેન્દ્ર, જય સ્વામિનારાયણ, રામ કબીર, however you are greeting each other. પણ આપણું ગુજરાતી greeting એવું હોય છે કે હાથ જોડીને નમસ્તે કહીએ આપણે બરાબર. Then if you wanted to say how are you, you would say તું કેમ છે. આપણાથી નાના હોય તો go ahead and say it with me. તું કેમ છે. And if it's somebody older than you or you want to show them respect, then you would say તમે કેમ છો. તમે કેમ છો. So each time I pause, you could repeat after me. So now you know તું કેમ છે or તમે કેમ છો. And then if you wanted to respond, I'm doing fine, you would say હું મજામાં છું. Say it with me. હું મજામાં છું. And you can ask them, તમે કેમ છો? તમે કેમ છો? How are you? Then the greeting pages goes in detail where you learn, do you know them? તમે એને ઓળખો છો? Let me introduce you. ચાલો હું તમારી ઓળખાણ કરાવું. So that's something that you would learn as you progress in a different level. Also, we start our classes with the simple pratna. So for this term, we did Gayatri Mantra, which most of you know, but some kids may not know because they're brand new to learning. And the Pratna paper will have the phonetic spelling of the Pratna and the meaning, and you also get an audio recording. So you all, if you want to try it with me, or you could simply listen, તમે સાંભળી શકો છો. Om Bhurбhuvashvah Tatsavituर्वरेण्यं Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Because this grounds us in the learning mode. Now આપણે અહીંયા શીખવાના છે બરાબર. So vocabulary પહેલા ક્લાસમાં આપણે greeting ને એનું શીખીએ. Then we practice our noun genders, meaning કે ગુજરાતીમાં જે શબ્દો હોય છે કે for example, any noun that you have, it has a gender. So the pronoun depends on the gender of the noun. For example, when you want to say my mummy, you don't say maru mummy because mummy is a feminine gender noun. You'd say mari mummy. Barabar? For example, if you're saying my dog, you would say maro kutro. Maro kutro because it's a masculine gender noun. So this is something that we focused that term a lot on, and then we had lots of practice. For example, a badak or a baby in Gujarati is a neutral gender noun. So you would say maru badak or taru badak, your baby. So I know it seems a little bit overwhelming for a level 1 student, but we go very slowly. You know, first it's 2 words at a time, 3 words, and we increase it to 5 words. So the more they hear it, the more it becomes clear. Then they also learn the basic rule of gender nouns, that the nouns that end in I, O, U have certain gender, and then there are exceptions to the rules. We will also have the kids share this worksheet, which is Mara Vishe, ke all about me. For example, then you fill in Maru Nam. For me, it would be Maru Nam Vaishali che. My birthday is Maro Janma Divas. Me, આ હું છું. Then મારો મનપસંદ ખોરાક, મારું મનપસંદ ખાવાનું nachos છે, or whatever it may be. That's just one worksheet that we do in class. We also have verb of the week. For example, this is to give is આપવું. Can you give me something? તમે મને, then you fill in the word આપશો. So the students get to practice these sentences and these verbs, and then we go into detail as we progress into our classes. In each class block, we will have a grammar block. So for this one was the personal pronoun worksheet. How do I say I in Gujarati is who, you is tu, you formal is tame, he, she, it is te, we is ame, and they is teo. And then we will practice some sentences that are based on these grammar. And then because sometimes the kids are returning kids and then they know, so what is the correct order of the events in these pictures? So this one says, Chokri savare, what did she do? The girl woke up in the morning. How do you say woke up? Do you say sui gayi, which means she went to sleep? Brush kare che, which means she's brushing her teeth. Uthi gayi means woke up. Nasto kare che means she's eating breakfast. Which one is the correct answer? Chokri savare uthi gayi. She woke up in the morning, right? Then it seems like she's celebrating a birthday, so you could say Aje teno raja che. That means she has a day off. Aje ravivar che. It means it's Sunday. No. Aje teno maja che. She's having fun today. She is having fun today. But teni aje tene maja che would be the proper sentence, not teno maja che. Aje teno janma divas che. It's her birthday today. Yeah, that seems about right. It is her birthday today. So these things are something that not on the first week you won't get a quiz, so don't worry. But as you progress, you will get some quizzes that you will have to be doing. Then every class when you go home, because you're only with Vaishali Masi સાથે તમે 30 મિનિટ ટાઈમ સ્પેન્ડ કરો તમારા ટીચર સાથે, પછી ઘરે પણ થોડું હોમવર્ક પણ કરવું પડે ને. સો તમે હોમવર્ક માટે આ દર વીકે તમને કઈ ને કઈ activity મળશે. So for example, this one was a fun one where you take 2 socks, you put them on, then you draw little faces on them. તમે એના પર થોડું ચિત્ર દોરીને એનું નાક અને કાન અને આંખ બનાવવાની અને પછી તમારે એકબીજાને સાથે વાતો કરાવવાની છે. The socks are puppets. એકનું નામ મગન છે, એકનું નામ મણિ છે. એ બધા એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરે છે. And the conversation is right here for you. So Magan says, Tame kon cho? Mani says, Namaste, maru naam Maniben che. Tame kon cho? હું મજામાં છું. તમે કેમ છો? મારું નામ મગન છે. હું પણ સરસ મજામાં છું. So this forces the children to practice speaking Gujarati. એ લોકો ઘરે ગુજરાતીમાં આ રમત રમતા રમતા ગુજરાતીની વધારે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરે છે. Now, આ સિવાય ક્લાસમાં ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ થાય છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, જે કંઈ વોકેબ્યુલરી બ્લોક ચાલતો હોય કે તમે કદાચ નંબર્સ વિશે શીખતા હોય કે ગુજરાતીમાં નંબર્સ ઇઝ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 બરાબર. તમારે શીખવું છે? ચાલો પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીએ. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8, 9 is 9, and 10 is 10. બરાબર? So જો તમે એ vocabulary block એ અઠવાડિયે એ શીખતા હોય તો તમે એની સાથે song અને stories પણ હશે તમારા ફોલ્ડરમાં. So song could be એકડો સાવ સડે એકડો ને બગડો દિલે તગડો બંને બાથમ બાથા વળગ્યા કરતા મોટો ઝઘડો. And then I explain the song. The teacher will explain the song to you. Story પણ હોઈ શકે. There are stories attached to it. હું તમને એક બતાવું કે grammar સાથે સાથે તમે sentence structure પણ આ ક્લાસમાં શીખશો. So as you progress, the homework and the vocabulary changes. For example, this week's vocabulary was food and taste. કે water ને ગુજરાતીમાં શું કહેવાય? પાણી કહેવાય. તમે બોલો. Water ને ગુજરાતીમાં પાણી કહેવાય. Water ને ગુજરાતીમાં પાણી કહેવાય. You go ahead and say it when I pause, okay? Milk ને ગુજરાતીમાં દૂધ કહેવાય. Very nice. Milk ને ગુજરાતીમાં દૂધ કહેવાય. Yogurt ને ગુજરાતીમાં દહીં કહેવાય. Full sentence, not yogurt is dahi. Yogurt ne Gujarati ma dahi kehvai. So when your vocabulary block is about food and taste, there's fun activities like you get blindfolded and then mommy or daddy puts different tastes in your mouth. So then how do you say, this one is sour? If somebody puts lemon in your mouth, te khattu che. So Gujarati ma tame kevi rite keso? Te khattu che if it's sour. So these are some simple things that our students learn in class. And then the fun homework you get is Dadaba homework. So this is a homework that you don't necessarily have to do with your grandparents, but it's a lot of fun to do it with your grandparents. So tamara dadaba najikma rehta hoy, if they're close by, ke dur rehta hoy, if they live far away, you could do this. You could FaceTime them, or you can go visit them and say these red sentences in Gujarati. So you practice them. Tame kem cho? હું મજામાં છું, દાદા or baba will say. Then you'll ask them, મને સ્કૂલના homework માટે મદદ કરશો? Will you help me for my school homework? And then you ask them, તમે નાના હતા ત્યારે તમને શું જમવાનું ગમતું? What did you like eating when you were little? So these are some glimpses of the things that we do in our level 1 classes. Now, this was just a નાની તમને થોડી ઝલક બતાવી. તમને કંઈ પણ question હોય, તો feel free to. There's so much more that we teach in classes that I can't include in the નાનલા સરખા ક્લાસમાં જે મેં તમને એની small glimpse બતાવી. પણ તમને કંઈ પણ question હોય તો જણાવજો અને તમારે આ level સિવાય બીજા કોઈ level માટે શીખવું હોય. For example, if you want to learn as an adult, or if you have children that already speak Gujarati and you want them to learn better, or if you want them to learn how to read and write, be sure to watch the free videos on what our classes look like for those levels so you can have a better idea. Chalo, thank you for allowing me to show this to you. And pacha marisu. Avjo.